It's okay. What are you doing?
I'm eating my burger.
Why are you eating from the plastic? But you're at home.
No, because of it was, I was hungry. I didn't want to waste time and go put it in a plate and like that. And go on, you know, the other thing is, if you eat it on a plate, home plate, you feel like as if you're not eating takeaway, because it must be like this. You see, it must feel like a takeaway. In that way, you feel it. You know, you are eating takeaway. So once I put it in a plate, there is a whole plate. It will be like as if I'm eating a meal, a home meal, and don't be nice anymore. I'll lose appetite, because this is what makes food takeaway so nice.
So when you're eating from that paper bag, yeah, Burger
King.
Burger King.
Yeah.
So when you eat from a Burger King bag, and then now you feel
you feel proud. You can even go flex. You can go flex. You can take your YouTube channel, your YouTube videos, and Instagram videos or TikTok videos and stuff like I'm doing now. See, I'm flexing.
It's okay. So much I can keep this bag, you know, and to make myself at home burger and chips, and then put it in this bag.
People are going to think that you've got money every day.
That's a plan, Mr. K. Please save it. Eh?
Every day. Guys, you know what? Let me tell you something. If you buy a burger like this,
and Mr. K, the class also must keep.
No, listen. If you buy a burger like this, don't throw the paper.
It's our burger, yeah, how?
No. Don't throw the paper.
Make sure your burger doesn't fall, Mr. K.
No, it won't fall. Don't throw the paper. You can keep this paper very clean. Every day you go make a toast in your kitchen. you go make your toast in the kitchen and you pretend as if you are eating,
Burger King every day.
And people are going to think, no, this
Lovey thinks you are right.
This person is got money every day, is eating.
I think Lovey is gonna do it. Lovey, I can't say it.
Don't think you've got money every day. You're eating from takeaway every day.
Especially when you do your content.
Yeah.
You just make sure, why is it
And you keep this. Don't throw it away. Man, every day you go make tea.
You put water there. Coffee.
Make tea. Put coffee. So people must
make sure it's not too hot, so that you can sit nicely.
It must look
there.
black. You see, like the way it is. It must look black, so people will think that no, you are drinking.
Drink less, see, Mr. K. What's inside there? Coke. So how when you drink like that, it goes up on a straw, right? And then it shows what color it is.
Yeah, but people won't see that. They won't know. They won't know this is a Coke. They won't know this is coffee.
But yeah, Mr. K, what if you want this bag and then you want to put something else inside, like papso and chicken? So how will you be able to?
Then that means that if you're gonna put pap and chicken,
you must eat from the bag, like really directly from the bag.
You see?
Don't show the food.
You see how I'm eating my chips? Don't take them out. Leave your chicken inside and your pap inside. Continue eating like as if they mustn't see your here. You must take it like this. Always eat like this.
Okay. Mr. K. Yeah, that's it, Mr. K. You got it.
Guys, listen. I'm helping you. So they mustn't think for every day when you are broke. I'm helping you. It's a plan. Here's the plug. I'm plugging you guys. Every day you sit like this.
So, Mr. K, what if after posting this video, someone comes, ukupela 20 ranta, and then when you posted a video eating this candy, inside it was pap, how will you answer that person? Ababatla 20 rand.
But listen. Huh?
What if the person now wants to borrow 20 rand from you? After seeing you eating this Burger King, let's say there is really, it's not real, it's just a bag and a cup. You put your coffee there and your pap and chicken there, and then the person thinks, Mr. K, you have money, let me quickly ask Mr. K for 20 rand. How are you going to answer that person?
I'll tell them my money is not yet. No, this guys, it's very simple. I'll tell them my money is not yet.
I wonder how many people you told that already.
No, my money is not
who
yet.
Are watching this video.
So I'll tell them my money is not yet. Guys, you see here, on this thing, you can put rama there with the butter, bread. You put the rama inside and cheese inside. It must look like if you don't have cheese, you can get
This is crazy.
even listen.
Mr. K, this is crazy.
Listen.
Can we cut the video?
Listen. Even mayonnaise. Put mayonnaise here. You just dye that mayonnaise with aromat to look like as if it's a cheese.
Hi, Mr. K.
You go eat. Guys, I'm sorry. Thank you so much. I gave you a plaque. It's okay. Let's do that, guys. Thank you so much.
So have you done that before, Mr. K, in your contents?
Mm-mm.
Be honest.
I'm even crying. No, I'm just giving them a plaque.
Mara, have you done that on your contents?
No, it just came now.
Have you done it before? Mr. K, be honest.
No, I've never done it. But I'm just giving them a plan. Some people want to travel. They want to go, they want to dress up nice, they want to go, they want to make content. Some of them, they can't make content at home. So I'm giving a plan. Every day, go out, take a bread, toast it. But don't throw this, buy a burger. Don't throw these things. This one, you must keep it at home. Every day when you're done with your
Mr. K, you're reminding me of something.
Yeah.
Do you remember that time you said to me, that time when you were still jolling, you would go to the ATM dustbin and search. Can you tell?
But let me tell you something. This is what I used to do. In order for my girlfriend not to know that I'm broke, I'll go to the ATM and pick up the balance slips. Why those slips will draw money? They throw them there. So I'll pick it up and I'll target those ones that has got big balance. And I will see someone, a balance is there, is 200 and something thousand or 300 and something thousand. I'll keep it. And then I'll put them in my car. Girlfriend comes in my car, sits. Oh, baby, you were drawing money, forgot to draw the things. You know what? I forgot, man. Let me see how much is the balance. She will check the balance. Let me see how much is the balance. So we check and see 300 and something thousand. Hey, and you know what I'll do? I'll tell them. I said, I'll tell her, you know what? You must know I'm very stingy. I don't give money to girlfriends until I see who you are very honest and you are serious.
How you gonna see, Mr. K?
Serious about me. And you know what will happen? She will never go away. She will never even cheat on you. Because she saw that moolamus. She saw that money. She saw that balance. She will never cheat on you. She will always want to be with you. Every day, keep on bribing her. Just buy, spend cheap money. Go buy eggs, 6 eggs, bread. You eat. You relax. You understand? When she asks you, Candy, baby, I saw you've got a lot of money. Why are we eating like this? That's when you see, this one is a gold digger.